finna go drop these birds. Little trial run. The hawk hit me yesterday. I'm missing 2 birds, 2 out of 5 young birds. I seen it. I let my flyers out. He chased them off. Really, they just booked on him. And then I let my young new birds out. Soon as they got up, as soon as they go up, and before they shoot, I see him coming off the top of the house. Straight down. Boom. He hit the whole bundle. And I'm missing 2. One of them probably just got lost. But you live to fly another day. You could kill the hawk, man. You could set the hawk up for a shot, kill shot. Or you could trap him. But I just don't feel like you giving the bird, if you do that, you're not giving the birds the real experience of being a real racing pigeon. You got your hands involved in too much if you taking care of the natural way of life. If you taking care of it. You know? All about getting them birds ready. Some people use the whistle or some kind of sound to let them know there's a hawk near. I don't do that. You know what I mean? If you stay up in that box, if you out flying or in the box, then you safe. If you hanging out, then you hanging out. Shit happens when you're hanging out.